This video is sponsored by my favorite website creator, Squarespace, the best place to go when you want to get a domain or create a beautiful website or an online store. Okay, we need to stop doom scrolling and death scrolling. All scrolling should be cute animals or inspirational content. Here's one: we need to stop leaving delivery boxes around the flat. We need to squash and recycle as soon as unpacked because they're not pretty, are they? Personally, I want to stop fretting over things before they happen. Like, usually it's fine, no catastrophes will happen. I don't have to worry about it in advance. It will sort of sort itself, you know? Caring too much about people in reality shows. Like, why are we so judgmental about these people based on the few minutes we watch them do things and talk about things? Especially since we know how produced these shows are. It's called reality TV, but it's not though, is it? And on that note, can we please stop caring about celebrity divorces already? Also, we should stop being hard on ourselves appearance-wise. Like, we're good-looking girlies, we don't have to be self-critical. It would be nice if I could stop hating going to the gym. I mean, some days I don't hate it, I more strongly dislike it. But now I usually go 3 days per week and it takes discipline every time. I'd much rather be on the sofa reading with a nice coffee, you know what I mean? Okay, so we need to stop eating meat, eating dairy, and eating eggs. Oh, and fish is meat too. Keeping every photo and video we take on our phones. How cluttered is your Photos app? Mine used to be in such good shape, I would keep it so tidy, but lately, oh dear, it's smack full of 1,000 photos and videos that I never have time to sort through. I want to stop buying food that's packaged in plastic, but it's so damn hard, isn't it? Is there a petition we can sign to get the food shops to ban plastic wrapped cucumbers? I mean, it's ridiculous in this day and age. How about this one? Spending money on useless things. I feel like David and I are so good at prioritizing what we want to spend money on, and it means that we can afford small luxuries that just makes life that little bit more shiny, you know what I mean? Another good thing to stop would be to read comments online, especially comments on very toxic Twitter posts. We need to stop enabling megalomaniac white men with conspiracy theory mindsets to rule our countries. How the hell did we come to this? Saying yes to social things that we really don't want to do, it's such a time and energy waster. We should stop working so late at night that we dream about work. It's not fun, is it? We need to make an executive decision that no more TV subscription services can henceforth exist. Also, let's stop doing 10-episode TV dramas that could easily be fitted into a 2-hour feature film. Consuming content that make us feel like failures or ugly or we're not good enough, let's stop doing that. Also, let's stop doing things because we should enjoy doing them. Everyone doesn't like festivals, it's not a big deal. Finishing reading books that we don't like, I give it 10 or 20%, and if I'm not really feeling it, I move on to the next book because there are too many books in the world to read in a lifetime anyway. Lately I've been thinking about this one a lot. If everyone could just please relax about, everything, there will be 98% less conflicts in the world. So let's stop caring so much and being so offended and proud about stuff. Let's just chill a bit. Finally, this one. Keeping ourselves from what makes us happy because we're scared of failure, or because we worry about what others will say and think, or because we just come up with excuses why it's too much of a hassle anyway. Here's the thing, life is a hassle. Better hassling with something that you truly care about and makes you happy than keep hassling with the stuff that don't fulfill you anyway. You deserve to really have a go at life, That's it, I'm dropping the mic here. Do tell me if you agree with these or if you feel like I missed something important. Do you want to create a beautiful site, maybe start your own blog? If so, you should definitely do it with Squarespace. They have great blogging tools to share your stories, photos and videos to make it easy to reach your audience. You can also auto-post your content to Twitter, Facebook or Tumblr, and simply schedule your posts for them to be properly tagged, and the descriptions and titles will show up correctly. You can of course add your social media accounts to your site so that it's easy for your readers to find you everywhere. Squarespace also have great traffic analytics so that you can see how many people are visiting your site, how long they're staying for, where they're coming from and what they're interested in. Fashion or interior design, for example. So what are you waiting for? Go get your free trial today at squarespace.com, and when you're ready to launch, go to squarespace.com/jennymustard to get 10% off your first purchase of website or domain. That's it for today. Thank you for hanging out, sending lots of love your way and wishing you the best 2023 possible. See you soon. Okay, bye.